students, now we are going to learn chapter 2 measurements. In this chapter, you are going to learn area and circumference of a circle. Okay, students, already you are know about circle. What is circle? Yes, students. Listen, students. Circle definition: circle is a round plane figure whose boundary, that is called, this boundary line is called a circumference, consists of points equidistant, that is equal distance from the fixed point. This fixed point is called a center. Yes, this is called a circle. Circle is a round plane figure whose boundary, the circumference, consists of points equidistant from the fixed point, from this center point. Okay, the equidistance from the center to a boundary is the radius. The distance between center to the circumference is called a radius. Diameter means, this is called a diameter. For this is called diameter. The line passes through center. This is called diameter. Okay, diameter is equal to 2 times radius. All circles are similar to one another. All the circles are similar to one another. Similar means, same shape. Distance around the circular region is called a circumference or perimeter. This is called a circumference or perimeter. In circles, the ratio of circumference to the diameter is constant. Circumference to the diameter. Circumference to the diameter is constant. Constant means fixed value. Circumference by diameter is equal to pi. The symbol name is pi. Circumference of a circle formula 2 pi r units. Circumference is denoted by the letter C. C is equal to pi d. 2 pi r or pi d. Pi value 22 by 7 or 3.14. Yes, this is the approximate value. Okay, students, you have to learn these points. It is useful for the problems. Listen, students, example 2.1. Calculate the circumference of the bangle shown in the figure, pi value 3.14. That is, first you have to draw one circular shape. That is, calculate the circumference of the bangle is given. We want to find this circumference. In this diagram, what is given? What is given? Refer with this diagram. What is given? 6 centimeter. This is diameter. The full length is diameter. D is equal to 6 centimeter. So half of this diameter is called a radius. So this is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Okay. Yes. So that is, first what is given, taken right in this diagram. D is equal to 6 centimeter. D is equal to 2r, 2 times radius. Okay, so R is equal to D by 2. So that is 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Write the formula. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r units. 2 into pi into 3. Pi value is given 3.14. You have to substitute in this formula. 2 into 3.14 into 3. Make multiple. 3.14 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Again it is multiple with 3. 8 3s are 24. Balance 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 3s are 80. 2 decimal places there. You have to keep 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Keep the decimal point. So the circumference is 18.84 centimeter. Okay. Second question. What is the circumference of the circular disc of radius 14 centimeter? Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. We want to find circumference. Previous question, diameter is given. For this question, radius is given. You have to draw one small circle. Mention the radius. It is 14 centimeter. It is center point. Okay. This is radius. R is equal to 14 centimeter. Radius of the circular disc is equal to 14 centimeter. Circumference, what's the formula? 2 pi r units. 2 into pi value, given value you have to substitute here, that is 22 by 7, r value 14. Numerator values 2, 22 and 14. Denominator we have only one value 7. Now you may cancel. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. After cancelling, 2 into 22 into 2. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 2, 88 centimeter.